Good morning. I'm Manu. This is Browntown Games. If you're like me, you like not only painting minis, but you like all the gadgets and goodies that go along with the hobby, such as painting handles. And if you're like me, you probably backed the RedGrassGames ergonomic 360 holder that came out a while back. And while I really enjoyed painting with this handle, there are some drawbacks to it. And since then, I found a handle that I like even more and is for sure, in my opinion, the best holder and the most versatile holder on the market. And I'd like to introduce you today to the Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holder.
Let's get ready to rumble!
I want to provide a quick disclaimer up front. The RedGrassGames 360 holder I backed on Kickstarter when it was live and had it delivered, and I've been painting with it as my primary painting handle since it had come out. The good folks at Ferox Fabrications have a artist series of handles. I'd seen their handles online and over social media, and they reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in joining the artist series, to which I happily said yes. I heard lots of great things about their handle before it came out, and they designed this handle, which is now called the Monolith handle, for myself, Manu, and Browntown Games. And they sent it out to me to test and see if I like, refine, and based off of that, and they sent it for free. Based off of my testing with it and using it, I have fully switched over to using this handle. It is the best handle on the market, and I will tell you why in this video. Would you like to win one of these awesome Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holders? Stick around to the end to find out how you could get your hands on this for free. And here they are. On the left, you have the RedGrassGames 360 holder, and on the right, we have the Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holder. You can see that the shape for the RedGrassGames holder and the Tenaci holder from Ferox Fabrications are different. The RedGrassGames holder is a little more ergonomic on the side, thicker on the side, and quite thin from a depth perspective. And the Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holder is a nice round shape. What you're going to end up finding with this, and what I've found after long sessions of painting, is that with the RedGrassGames holder, you'll get hand cramps after long painting sessions and a lot of hand stiffness, whereas with the Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holder, it's a real nice shape, and because it's thicker, there's no hand cramping. At least I haven't noticed any hand cramping or stiffness even after long painting sessions. The tops on both rotate, so if you have a miniature on either one, you can spin the miniature. So for instance, if I put this Gloomhaven Void Warden here, you can spin, whip it upside down, get to different angles without constantly shifting the handle around. And on the Ferox Fabrications holder, the top spins real easy, and as you could tell, it was magnetized. Whereas the RedGrassGames holder, it's pretty stiff and it's pretty cumbersome. One of the things that will lead to some fatigue after a long painting session, especially if your batch painting is having to constantly spin this tougher top, and even replacing tops. So if you want to replace tops with the RedGrassGames one, they're quite tight and difficult to remove. It takes a lot of effort, whereas with the Ferox Fabrications one, because they have magnets, and although the magnets are strong, they're pretty easy to remove. When you want to remove them, it's real simple to put a different top on. The RedGrassGames holder is made of a tougher plastic material, It feels solid in hand. It's dropped a couple times off the desk and hasn't broken. It has separated a little bit upon dropping on the ground, as you can perhaps see right there. But overall, build construction is nice on this. For shorter painting sessions, it's nice, but for long painting sessions, it definitely isn't my choice for the best handle. Also, the tack that it comes with gets dry, I suppose, and is very difficult to remove. So if you're painting, if you're batch painting, or if you're leaving a miniature on the top for an extended period of time and you don't remove that tack, it sticks, and it's just a total pain to remove off the top. And if you have any sort of OCD like I do, this is just going to bug you all the time. The Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holder is a solid wood design. It has strong magnets both at the top and bottom. The pucks are made out of wood as well. So overall, design-wise, it's solid in hand, and you can just see from the look, it's a beautiful holder. If you're looking at picking one of these up, I'm in Canada, and if you get the RedGrassGames holder with 5 tops, you're looking at about $50 Canadian with shipping to get that over here. Whereas the Tenaci holder with shipping, you can get it for 45 bucks, and that includes the shipping to my address over here in Canada. And it'll come with the handle as well as 5 pucks. Now, the biggest thing that sets these two handles apart, and why the Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holder is the best holder on the market, is its versatility. With the RedGrassGames holder, you get the holder, you get a couple tops, and some putty that you either like or is going to annoy the hell out of you. With the Tenaci holder, you get the holder, you're going to get 5 pucks, and you're going to get a strong putty that can hold the miniatures on top, and you don't need to worry about not being able to remove any of that or having it go to waste, like with this RedGrassGames top. In regards to versatility, you get your standard pucks, but you also have options. So if you're painting a larger figure, there are extra large size pucks, and it's really fantastic to be able to put a larger based figure on the same holder and use it seamlessly. But if you're working in sub-assemblies and you want to still be able to use your holder and not have to switch to a piece of cork, there is the foam top, and so you can pin whatever sub-assemblies you would like, pin them into the foam top, and now you can use the holder with sub-assemblies as well. If you have a lot of metal figures with clip bases, there's a clip top as well that you can get, where you can clip your miniatures in, and you have the versatility to paint those as well using the same handle and not having to finagle and really be held back by the lack of versatility with the RedGrassGames holder. Ferox Fabrications also makes a extra large size holder, and with the extra large size holder, essentially the extra large puck would fit right into the holder. So it's going to be a bit thicker if you got real meaty hands, but for myself, I'm definitely not small by any means, and this handle is more than perfect in terms of size for me. From a versatility perspective, it's essentially one handle to rule them all, and that's great. So if you're looking for the best miniature holder on the market, look no further than the Ferox Fabrications Tenaci holder. This holder combines great design, incredible versatility, and at a very affordable price. There's the Ferox Fabrications design. They also partner up with other artists in the community to have a artist series. For instance, this one is the Monolith edition for myself, Monu, and Browntown Games. You can support one of your favorite artists in the community by picking up one of theirs. If you decide you want to pick up one of these Monolith holders, $5 from every sale will go to the BC Children's Hospital, which is an awesome charity. So not only do you get the best holder on the market, but you also get to donate to a great cause. The good folks at Ferox Fabrications and myself have teamed up to do a giveaway for the Monolith holder. If you'd like to win one of these holders, simply like the video, subscribe to the channel, and post a comment in the video. Tell me what you like about it or anything you want. The competition will go from the posting date of this video to October 31st at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. I will also have a giveaway for one of these handles on my Instagram account. If you go to Instagram and check out Browntown Games, you'll get all the information there for how you could win one of these. And perhaps, who knows, maybe two of these. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next video.
I think I like you. I think I like you too. Let's see if we have a connection. We do!